Question number 7 says that the value of pi up to 50 decimals places is given below. So this is the value of pi up to 50 decimal places. We have to make a frequency distribution of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. And then we have to find what are the most and the least frequently occurring digits. So we will first have to make a frequency distribution table of the digits 0 to 9. So this is the table that we make and the digits are already listed. We will have to find how many times are these digits occurring. So for 0, it's occurring 2 times. So we write the tally marks and the frequency. 1 is occurring 5 times and its frequency is 5. 2 is occurring 5 times again. So the frequency for it will be 5. For 3, it's 8. So the frequency will be written as 8. For 4, the frequency is 4. So we write the tally marks and the frequency as 4. For digit 5, the frequency is 5. So we write the tally marks and the frequency as 5. For digit 6, it's occurring 4 times. So the frequency and the tally marks are written as 4. Digit 7 is occurring 4 times. So its frequency is 4. Digit 8 is occurring 5 times. So we write its tally mark and its frequency as 5. And finally, digit 9 is occurring 8 times. So we write its tally marks and its frequency as 8. Now, it can be easily observed from the table that the most frequently occurring digits are digit 3 and digit 9 with a maximum frequency of 8. And it can also be easily observed that the least occurring digit, that is the digit with the least frequency, is 0 because its frequency is the minimum, that is 2. So this is how we solve this question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.